Hi guys, today me and Malachi are taking over Miss Lena's kitchen.
Once again.
So I'm gonna read. My name is Michael and his name is Malachi. And I'm gonna be reading a scripture today. All scriptures is the breath of God and useful for teaching, rebuking, correcting is the training of righteousness, so that the man of God may be the roughly equipped every good work of God. Book Timothy 2, 3:16 and 17.
Okay. Now I'm going to be saying John 3:6. For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, and whosoever believeth in him shall not perish but have everlasting life.
We're gonna make hot Cheeto chicken.
Dun dun dun!
So we got chicken legs.
We got chicken legs
With all of our seasoning.
Okay, here's the chicken legs. It's already been seasoned. They have the egg and milk batter. They have the hot Cheetos. They grind them up. They have paprika, onion, garlic, black pepper, and here's the hot Cheetos they use. And there go Miss Lena.
Figure this out. Okay. Okay. Hello, everybody. This young men are going to do a great job today, and I have them coming on. This is they may do one more vacation day, maybe before school start. But I have them here today. They're on their few days vacation week with their great granny, and Granny's so glad to have them here to let them exercise what they can do, so the people can see that these young men are really interested in trying to cook something and something very good, and they're going to bring out a good meal for today. This is going to be very good. They're all right now. Michael's going to tell. They're going to start what they're doing, and they've already started the ingredients on some of them. Then they start, kind of working their way in. They took it on one end, and he could do the other end.
Get all the goodness in there, boys, young men.
Okay.
Get all the goodness seasoning in there.
Yeah, they got it well seasoned. This will be really good. It's been seasoning for a few hours, so it should be getting in there and put in.
We are still mixing. Michael will be mixing the eggs. I'll be mixing the chicken. Still.
Okay, we're gonna get it together. So still gonna be great. So
Okay, Michael's stirring up the egg batter. Just put the seasoning in with the black paprika, onion powder, garlic, and black pepper. Okay.
Okay, so I'll put it in there.
Yeah.
I'm putting another one in there. Here you go. Okay, we're gonna go.
Okay, just sit it down in there.
Okay, thank you.
There you go. That's good.
Make sure all the drippings off before you put in the bag. Malachi has difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah.
But I got my vision back.
There you go. Now drop it in the bag.
My vision.
Okay. Now put another one over there. Put them over there quick so we can get more than one. And you can just push it, not a whole handful, but maybe two at a time. Okay, boys? Okay.
Okay.
All right, now.
I saw something.
Cut this side. So we can.
If you just push hard enough. No, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm not gonna do that until the chicken is cooked.
Because they said if you just push the backbone hard enough, the whole bone will come off and you can just eat the meat.
You should do that.
And y'all see what happened. It was crazy when I did it. But it didn't work. I tried. It only worked sometimes. Look.
Okay, Granny gonna take it out the bag and put it on the tray for y'all.
Can we just put that?
Oh, we still got some over there in here. Okay.
Oh, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good.
Okay.
Now, give Hannah one more, Kai. Michael.
Yeah. Get out. Get
Yeah,
out. Wait a minute. Still something hanging out. All right. Get that looseness off of there. You can put about another one in there. I think it'll hold about 5. It may hold 6.
Massage
Those,
chicken.
they're not too large. 5 is enough.
Put another one in there, Kai.
Get the small
I mean,
one.
Michael. Yeah, small one.
Massage chicken.
Okay. Now shake it up. Shake it up, DJ. He shake it up.
Yeah, shake it up, Kai. I mean, Michael.
Got massage chicken.
Man, he put a little bit more in there. I think that's gonna be enough.
Open it.
You take your. Oh, you can't put it in there.
Open it.
Put just a little bit more in there. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
So was she shaking it?
Yeah, shake it.
Okay.
That's enough.
Now take it out. Then you take it out. Then you can put some more in there.
Okay, she's putting the chicken in the deep fryer for him, y'all.
Alright.
You think it needs some more grease?
I'm putting. Oh, there's some going in there.
Okay. Okay. I'm putting 6. Okay. 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 All right. So.
Okay, y'all, this is it. We'll be back once it's ready.
You got
And she's cooking it on low, y'all. She's cooking on 250.
Okay.
All right.
I'm putting about 5 in there.
She put 5 in there.
Okay.
We'll be back once it's done.
This is the finished product of the Hot Cheeto chicken wings.
Legs.
Oh, yes.
Oh, wait, legs.
All right. So I hope you all would like them. So the kids are gonna
Try them.
they're gonna be the sample.
Okay. Go
Okay.
and try them.
They're gonna try them and let you see them eat them. Okay. I got the hot stuff on them. I don't know. I'm not too good with the hot stuff with the thing, so I'm not gonna try them today. I just finished eating, and they're gonna put chip with theirs. Okay. Ain't it hot?
How is it?
Good.
Give me a
Let me
little.
chop with you.
Give me a small one.
Huh?
Give me a small leg so I can taste it.
I think this is the smallest one here.
Yeah, give me
It
that.
looks like it.
Where's the spice?
Okay.
Where's the spice?
Ain't it?
Let me get some hot sauce.
Huh? You want hot sauce and stuff? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's no spice to it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
It's
That is-
good, but there's no spice.
Yeah.
That is chicken is so
Yeah,
good.
we need.
The boys did
Oh, yeah,
good.
Brandon, you can eat some. It's not spicy.
No, I just got to eating that. I don't want to make
Y'all,
it.
it's so good.
Is it good? I need
Mhm.
a new one later.
I never
Because I
thought.
took me a indigestion pill, so
I never thought Cheetos fried chicken would be good, but it's delicious.
are you talking to the system? It's okay. The kids said it's very good, so I just finished eating a hamburger with onions, so I'm afraid to eat some right now. I have to wait till mine cool off later, and I'll try it. I know it's off the chain because the kids are eating it like it's way off
Is
the
it good?
chain. It's very, very
Oh yeah,
good.
it's very good. It's very good.
Y'all
It made
need,
me.
y'all need to try this for the weekend, and because it's going to be a nice weekend, and go on and get your what was it? What's the
Hot Cheetos.
Oh, hot Cheetos. Make sure they're hot though. They said they got to be the flaming hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, this is so good. I know the kids have made it before at their house. We have never made it. It's so good. All right.
So okay, they're enjoying it. I will enjoy a piece later, and BJ's enjoying her piece also now. So I thank you guys. Thank all of my new subscribers. I thank all of my supporters. I thank everybody all of the old ones that been supporting me for a while also. Kind of forgive me for some reason. I still have a little taste of hiccups. But anyway, I appreciate you all so much. And I thank you all for all the prayers and everything that has been going on since I have been
I gotta clean that
wait.
bone.
Tell them I got hiccups. I can't keep. Anyway, I appreciate you all so
I
much.
gotta clean that bone. Look at them.
They're wearing it out. Pick it up. Put it in your hand. You want to pick it up and put it in your hand, Michael. Hold it in your hand so they can see you eat it out of your hand. They don't want to see.
Yeah, this chicken is good. I gotta say, I would never thought. I would never thought Cheeto chicken was good, but it's delicious.
I said hold it. I was telling them hold it in their hand, but they wanted to eat it like they like. So if that's the way they like it, fine with me. Excuse me, because I have hiccups and everywhere.
Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Share.
And share. And share with your family. Share with your family
Tell them
members.
keep watching. Thank them.
Keep watching.
Thank them for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you all
Share
for
with
watching the
everybody
boys.
know.
Because they've
Thank
had
you,
an
Nestle's Kitchen.
enjoyable time cooking these 2 days. And I hope you will cook some of their menus because they really enjoyed doing it. Excuse me for the hiccups, but like I said, thank you all. I love you. For Miss Lena's Kitchen with all her love. Excuse me. And thank you. Goodbye. I will see you in the next video. Probably by myself. Probably the boys might not be here. I don't know. But I appreciate my boys. I really do. I appreciate all the grandkids that's doing things. So bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.